Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to text yourself on iMessage. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your messaging app or iMessage. Now just go ahead and go to the top right, tap on the new message icon. Now go ahead and type down your own number. Okay, if you have it saved on your phone, you can just tap on the plus sign. Okay, but in my case, I'm going to go ahead and type it down manually. And once that's done, go ahead and type down your message. For example, hey. After that, tap on send. Wait a bit. You'll get a reply. All right. So as you can see here, it's under the blue background. And you have a reply right here at the left side. So why is that? Maybe you have received a green background. Well, that means iMessage is not enabled on your device. Now, to go ahead and enable iMessage, go ahead and open up the Settings app. Once done, scroll all the way down, tap on Apps. Now scroll down a bit and find Messages, okay? So tap on it and just make sure that iMessage is enabled and your number right here is set up. There you have it. That is how you text yourself on iMessage. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.